teleconferencing session specifically for B.Ed learners. The learners who are going to submit assignment for their B.Ed first year. Many times they feel difficulties in finding the assignments. You may have certain queries related to where you can find the assignment, where you have to submit the assignment, how you should write the assignment. So I am trying to resolve all these basic issues. My request is that you please listen to me for some time. I am going to discuss some important instructions, and then I would like to invite you to please ask your questions. You can ask your queries to me. Why assignments are important? Actually, in our open and distance learning system, assignments are the instruments for teaching learning. Through assignment, we interact with our learners. So it is a mode of interaction also. Though it is a non-contiguous communication, but it helps in minimizing the spatial distance between the teacher and the learner, and it increases the academic and psychological closeness between the teacher, between the tutor and the student or learner. How we as a teacher support you through assignments. We basically help you through the meaningful and constructive suggestions in forms of the comment which we give you on the assignments submitted by you. So you have to submit for your assignments a particular assignment response. So what is an assignment response? It is basically a learning task. It is not only repetition of the content which is given in the text or which is available in the study material. You as a learner make some attempt to respond to the assignment after going through the study material. So here I want to clarify that don't replicate or don't repeat the content written in the study material. First you see what the assignment question is, then you try to understand what is expected from you as a learner. You go through the study material, find out the relevant section in the study material related to that assignment question. You read that and then you write in your own words your reflections or what you think about that particular item. So again I am repeating that repetition of the content already given in the study material is not expected. Whatever you have to do, there are always some instructions written with the assignments. So as a learner, every learner is expected to follow that instruction. Actually, it is always expected and we always prefer that as in assignment response, learner should write the responses. Answer should be written by the learners themselves. Written means handwritten. There are few important instructions. First thing you should know that your assignment carry 30% weightage. What do you mean by 30% weightage? If a course has 100% weightage, so 70% weightage is of the term end examination and 30% weightage is of the assignment responses in every theory course. Generally for one course, one assignment consists of 3 questions. So please, again I am repeating, you have to answer all the 3 questions for one course. So in one course there is one assignment and one assignment consists of generally 3 questions, and you are expected and you are requested to answer all the 3 questions of a course. Please keep in your mind that you may not be allowed to appear in the term end examination if you do not submit your assignment in time. Sometimes we delink the submission of the assignment with the submission of the examination form, but it is always expected from the learner that at least before term end examination or the last date decided by the university to submit the assignment, you have to submit your assignment before that particular date. Now, it is your duty to submit the assignment. Equally, it is the duty of the program study center to return the assignment to the learners, right? So, I think you should keep in your mind that assignments are subject to re-evaluation, except some factual errors. If someone has forgot to assess one question out of 3, then you can request your study center that my one question has been not assessed, so please assess it also. Otherwise, there is no concept of re-evaluation of assignments. Assignments are properly evaluated and commented by the tutors. So tutors and the academic counselors are requested to please provide comments on the assignment questions. How to write assignments? Generally, it is a practice in Ignou that we provide orientation to our learners through academic counseling. Even this session is being organized to orient you basically how to write the assignment responses. Now, let us come to the submission of assignments. When you are submitting your assignment, you should write your enrollment number very clearly, your name, address, and also the date of the submission at the right hand corner of the first page of your assignment response. You should also write on the first page what is the course title, what is the assignment you are. Information should come on the first. There are few more instructions you should keep in mind. The first instruction is that you should use a A4 size paper to submit your assignment responses. This is the first thing which we suggest from our school. Second, it is again our suggestion that please leave at least 2 to 3 inch margin on the left hand side. This space will be utilized by your tutor or the academic counselor. Assess your assignment, they will write the comment on that margin. So at every page on the left hand side, you should leave 2 to 3 inch margin. Then your answer should be the reflection of your understanding of the unit. Why I am saying this? Because if you are repeating the assignment, if you are repeating the content given in the assignment, it will not be a good impression on your tutor. And again I am suggesting you that please keep a copy of your assignment with you. Means whatever you have submitted, please keep a copy of that, whether it is a Xerox copy or a carbon copy, whatever is easy for you, you please keep it with you for your ready reference. It is a practice, at least in our school in Ignou, that the answers which are found identical or exactly copied from the study material or SLM, either they will be returned unmarked or very low grades are awarded to those assignments. So again I am telling you that if you are writing assignment response, please do not repeat what is already available in the SLM. You read that, you study the content, and after studying that content, you write in your own words, your own reflection, your own ideas, because most of the assignment items in our different courses are practical in nature. Practical means they are based on your own experience as a teacher, whatever you are experiencing as a teacher in the classroom. So many of the assignment responses are expected to be based on those experiences. So that's why it is suggested to you that please don't repeat the material written in the SLM. And also, you should write the assignment response of the same year for which you are appearing to the term end examination. For example, if you have done first year in January 2018, because you are submitting first time your assignment, so if you go to the Ignou website, which I have shown you in a small video clip, you may find assignment questions for every batch. For 17 batch the assignments are there, for 16 batch the assignments are there, for 18 batch the assignments are there. So which assignment you should write? You should write the assignment given for January 2018 batch B.Ed first year. If you are going to submit the assignment in the coming months for B.Ed second year, then you should again find out the questions related to B.Ed second year January 2018 batch. So the batch which was admitted in January 2018 is expected to write the assignment questions of that particular batch, because for every batch we change the assignment questions, right? The same thing which I have already explained you is on the slide also, that for learners admitted in January 2018, assignments uploaded for January 2018 batch will be applicable, and assignment responses must be submitted by hand or by speed post to the study center. Either you yourself submit your assignment responses to the study center or you speed post that. Now the question arises, which study center? The study center which is allotted to you by your regional center. If you are not aware that which study center is being allotted to you, you should contact to your regional center and you ask them which is your study center, where you have to submit the assignment. Because all the assignment of the students allotted to one study center will be managed by that particular study center. So study center in charges who are watching this telecast, they are also requested that please procure a list of the students which are allotted to you, and you arrange the assessment of those assignments which are related to those particular learners which are allotted to your study center, right? Minimum passing grade. Now the question may be in your mind that what is the minimum passing grade in assignment? Actually, in School of Education for B.Ed program, we have decided that at least D grade in each course in both the evaluation, means the assignment and the term end evaluation, because 30% is the weightage of assignment and 60% is the weightage of term end. So you have to secure minimum D grade in the assignment as well as minimum D grade in the term end examination to pass those components separately. But to pass the complete course, you have to secure a minimum C grade. Overall C grade means the grade of the assignment plus the grade of the term end examination for that course should come minimum C. Only then you will be able to qualify or successfully complete that particular course. In the School of Education, we generally follow basically the letter grade system. We don't follow the mark system. So, and we follow the same system in the assignment as well as we follow the same system for the term end examination. So even the evaluators who evaluate the assignment responses, they should provide letter grades, means a grade A, B, C, D or E. And I have already told you that D grade is minimum to pass an assignment, D grade is minimum to pass the term end examination, but C grade is minimum to pass the course, means the combined grade of assignment and your term end examination. Let me discuss a little bit about how these grades are. If you see on the slide, you can see that there are 5 grades: A, B, C, D and E. A is the highest grade, which is equivalent to 5, and E is the lowest grade, which is equivalent to 1. So suppose you got D grade in your assignment. So your weightage will be 3 into 2 means 0.6, and you got C grade in your term end examination. So the weightage will be 3 into 7, 2.1. So 2.1 plus 0.6 will come 2.7, and because it is more than 2.5, so your overall will be C. This way we calculate the overall grade of a learner. So in today's discussion, I basically tried to help you to find out where the assignment are uploaded. You can locate it, you can download from there, you can request your study center to email the downloaded assignment also. Then you are expected to write answers of each and every question. For every course, there are 3 assignment questions. For example, in B.Ed first year, there are 5 compulsory courses: BES 121, 122, 123, 124 and 125. So for 5 courses, there are 3 assignments. Then you have chosen 2 pedagogy courses. It may be science and social science, it may be science and math, it may be math and English, it may be English and Hindi. Any 2 subjects out of BES 141, 142, 143, 144 and 145. So any 2 courses which you have chosen and you have already appeared in your term and also for the same courses, or you are going to appear. So you should submit the assignment responses of all 7 courses for first year. Write in your own words, write in your own handwriting, use A4 sheet, write the correct information on the cover page, submit it to your study center either by hand or by speed post. Please keep a copy of your assignment with you, and I am again requesting to all the study center in charges that please ensure that all the assignments of the students allotted to that study center are evaluated properly. Every evaluator has written the comment there so that those comments can be used for further learning, for further improvement by our learners. I hope that this discussion must have facilitated you in identifying the assignments, and I wish that you all submit your assignments in time, get good grade and successfully complete not only the B.Ed first year courses but the whole program. Thank you very much for viewing me patiently and listening live here in this session. Thank you.